Sweet Child of Mine by the Guns N' Roses begins with an arpeggiated riff that can be broken up into two patterns. The first pattern uses the second fret, 1, 2, third string, and the third fret, 1, second string, and the first string. We hold that position as we play open D on the fourth string, second string, third string. Then we release the third string to be open, first string, third string, second fret, first string, second fret, third string, second fret, just like that. We repeat the first pattern twice. Again, setting up on the second fret, 1, 2, third string, third fret, second string, and the first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. First string, second fret. The second pattern uses the same notes except for the beginning. We set our fingers up again on the second fret, 1, 2, third string, third fret, second and first string, but we start now in the second fret on an E instead of a D. The second pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat the second pattern twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. And practice over and over.